What if I tell you something surprising? Sugar is not the real enemy.
Wait, what?
The real problem is how often and how much we eat it. That changes everything. Let's talk about the truth about sugar.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mrs. English Studio.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Michael, a sugar and nutrition expert.
Sugar is everywhere in our lives.
And many people feel scared or confused about it.
Today, we will make sugar simple and clear.
Sam, let's start simple. What is sugar?
Sugar is a type of carbohydrate.
Our body uses it for energy, right?
Yes, sugar gives quick energy to the body and brain.
So, sugar itself is not bad.
Exactly. Too much sugar is the problem.
Why do people love sugar so much?
Because sugar makes us feel good.
How does it do that?
It releases dopamine in the brain.
The happy feeling.
Yes, that's why we want more.
Many people say, I can't stop eating sweets.
That is very common.
Is sugar addictive?
Not like drugs, but it creates strong habits.
What makes cravings stronger?
Stress, poor sleep, and emotions. So it's not only about food.
Does sleep affect sugar cravings?
Yes, a lot.
Why?
When you don't sleep well, your body wants fast energy.
And sugar gives fast energy.
Exactly.
Some people think they don't eat sugar.
But sugar is hidden in many foods.
Like where?
Soft drinks, sauces, bread, cereal, yogurt.
Even healthy food?
Yes, always read food labels.
What happens inside the body when we eat too much sugar?
First, energy goes up very fast.
That feels good.
Yes, but then energy drops.
The energy crash.
Exactly. You feel tired and hungry again.
Is too much sugar dangerous long term?
Yes, if it happens every day.
What problems can it cause?
Weight gain, blood sugar problems, low energy.
That sounds serious. Is all sugar bad?
Is fruit sugar bad?
No. Fruit sugar is different.
Why is it different?
Fruit has fiber, vitamins, and minerals.
So sugar in fruit is okay.
Yes, in normal amounts.
What is the best way to think about sugar?
Balance, not fear.
Never fear food. Fear creates stress.
That's a very important lesson.
Let's learn some useful words.
1.
Craving.
Strong desire.
I have a sugar craving. 2. Energy crash.
Sudden tired feeling.
Too much sugar causes an energy crash. 3.
Balance. Not too much, not too little.
Healthy eating needs balance.
4. Habit. Something you do often.
Sugar habits are hard to change.
5. Label. Food information.
Read food labels carefully.
Too much sugar can cause problems.
Balance is better than fear.
Now it's your turn.
What food do you crave the most?
Sweet or salty?
Write your answer in the comments.
In part 2,
We will talk about how to reduce sugar naturally.
without stress or strict diets.
See you in part 2.
What if I told you you don't need to stop sugar completely to be healthy? Yes, small changes work better than strict rules. That already sounds easier. Let's learn how to reduce sugar without stress. In part 1, we talked about what sugar is and why sugar is not the enemy. We also talked about cravings and habits. Today, part 2 is very practical. Dr. Michael, where should people start? Start with awareness. What does that mean? Notice how much sugar you eat every day. Without judging yourself? Exactly. No guilt. What is the biggest sugar problem? Liquid sugar. You mean drinks? Yes, soda, sweet tea, juice. Why are drinks so bad? They don't make you feel full. So you drink more. Exactly. What are easy swaps? Water, sparkling water, tea without sugar? Can people add lemon? Yes, that helps a lot. This sounds simple. How does protein help with sugar? Protein keeps you full longer. So fewer cravings? Yes. What foods have protein? Eggs, yogurt, beans, chicken, fish. Some people skip meals to be healthy. That can increase sugar cravings. Why? Your body wants fast energy, and sugar gives fast energy. Exactly. We talked about sleep before. Yes, sleep is very important. How does sleep help reduce sugar? Good sleep controls hunger hormones. So, tired people want sweets? Yes, very often. Some people eat sugar when they feel sad. That's emotional eating. Is that bad? It's human. So what should people do? Pause and ask, am I hungry or emotional? Does movement help? Yes, a lot. Even small movement? Yes, walking, stretching. Not hard exercise? No pressure, just move. If people want something sweet, what should they choose? Fruit is a good option. Better than candy? Much better. Why? Fiber slows sugar absorption. Is it okay to eat sweets sometimes? Yes. Really? Follow the 80-20 rule. What is that? 80% healthy food, 20% flexible. That sounds realistic. Let's learn some useful words. 1. Awareness, noticing something. Awareness helps change habits. 2. Craving, a strong desire. Cravings come from stress. 3. Protein, food that keeps you full longer. Protein reduces hunger. 4. Emotional eating, eating because of feelings. Emotional eating is common. 5. Swap, change one thing for another. Swap soda for water. Small changes work best. Good sleep reduces sugar cravings. Now it's your turn. What is one sugar habit you want to change? Drinks, snacks, desserts? Write your answer in the comments. Reducing sugar is not about fear. It's about balance and habits. Small steps every day. And being kind to yourself. In part 3, we will talk about sugar myths and common mistakes people make. See you in part 3.